you up for a quick experiment? I promise it'll be easy. On the count of 3, we're just going to breathe. Yeah, that's it. So why am I doing that? I'll get into this in a second. Hi, my name is Sherry Curley. I'm also known as the Practosaur because I provide practical home organizing solutions in an eco-friendly way. I'm also an organizing motivator, speaker, and writer. If you would, just come along and take this challenge with me. Nestle your tongue on the roof of your mouth, like that, and then just inhale. Inhale that sweet O2-rich air into every molecule of your being. From your toes, just let all that air expand through your body all the way back up into your head. Then repeat it one more time. You can feel free to close your eyes with each breath if it helps. And then when you're done, open up your eyes and come on back. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and just breathe in. Feel your lungs expanding. Maybe you'll start feeling some, little kind of tingling in your fingers, your toes, throughout your body. And now take another breath and do it again. And then open your eyes and come on back when you're done. What did you notice? Maybe you're more relaxed now. Perhaps you're more invigorated. Either's groovy. But here's what I am looking for. I'm looking for the other side of the equation. Did you notice the exhale? Is exhaling even important? Is that a rhetorical question? No. In this case, it's more of a metaphorical viewpoint that we are going to explore. And here's why. A few weeks ago, I attended an online networking event. And as one of the participants introduced herself, she had talked about the thing that got her through 2020 successfully. And when I say successfully, I mean, she indicated that she survived. That thing is so critical. It's so vital to our well-being. And do we pay any attention to it? Not so much. So what is that thing? It's exhaling. Now give my brain something to work with and thoughts just start flooding in. And holy crap, I can rarely focus on breathing unless instructed by, my yoga instructor, my Tai Chi instructor, or maybe when I'm on my walks and I'm gasping for air. My attention to breathing could definitely use an adjustment, but wait. While my body was digging the inhales and even the exhales that she described that were so critically needed, because it's an autonomic response that we pay so little attention to. My little organizer brain was 100 miles ahead, shrieking for attention, going, hey, look, there's something here that has to do with organizing. So this is where the organizing metaphor just struck me like, clutter tumbling off a shelf. We need to breathe. We require oxygen to nourish and heal our bodies. We need to take in all the food. We need to have clothing. We need to have creature comforts to live a healthy, productive, and enjoyable life. Now think about exhaling the carbon dioxide and the other toxins that enter our bodies. We need to get rid of all that stuff that doesn't nourish us. The stuff that doesn't support us, we need to let it go. Too much of anything weighs us down. Too much of the wrong thing can make us ill. Okay, you can probably see where I'm going with this. This symbiotic relationship of breathing in and breathing out is a metaphor for all the stuff that we have, the way we are living our lives. Money comes in, money goes out. We bring children into the world, they grow up and leave us. And now from an organizer's viewpoint of living a tidy life, less encumbered life, the things that enter our homes need to be offset by an outflow of the extraneous and the excess. When items no longer serve us, it's time to exhale them, to release them, let them go. So like your next breath that you take in and then you let out, think about all the things that you bring into your home, bring into your life. Consider releasing all of the things that are not enriching you in some way. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to reach out to me at thepracticalsort.com. There you'll find lots more practical tips, blogs, videos to help you on your organizing journey. Thank you so much. Have a wonderfully practical day. Bye-bye.